For this assignment, we're going to be focused just on the formatting of a document. So you're going to go ahead and create a document. What we're going to do for this one is you're actually just going to take some chunk of text that is already written. You don't have to write your own unless you would like to. Here I'm going to take one from a Wikipedia page on the Super Bowl, and we're going to be doing it MLA style using this website, following this format. So your name, your instructor's name, your class, and the date. So we'll start by putting that. So here you would type out your first and last name. You would then put your teacher's name. You would then put your class. Something like computer applications in your period, or you could just put the period. And the date, you could type out the full date. Now it's a little too squished together, so we're actually going to double space it. The way you can do that, if you've already typed something, you can highlight it, and then you go here to where it has the arrow up and down. That's line spacing. It defaults to 1.15, and you want to go to double, and we actually are going to want the rest of it doubled. And then the next thing we're going to need is our title, which should be centered. So the way to center it is to go to the alignment here and choose center align. And I'm going to go ahead and type out my title, which is Super Bowl. When I hit enter, it's still going to be centered, and so I'm going to want to put it back and align it back to the left. If you would like to, you can make your title bold. And now I'm ready to copy and paste in the text. So I'm just going to choose a couple paragraphs here. Should be enough. I want about a page worth. So I'm going to highlight that, Control C to copy. It's a shortcut. And then I'm going to go back to this page. Now you'll notice my Wikipedia page has a bunch of bold and some blue letters, and I don't want all that in my document. So I'm going to use the shortcut Control-Shift-V. When I do Control-Shift-V, it keeps the format that I already have, so it's not going to put in all the blue and bold lettering. So there are a couple things I need to change here. One, you'll notice that it's not indented. So I'm going to go to the beginning here and indent it by using the Tab button. Here is the end of the first paragraph. The next paragraph starts here, and I'm going to hit Tab again. So make sure you indent the beginning of your paragraphs. You don't need an extra line between the paragraphs, though. The last thing I want you to do is to add a citation MLA style, and Google Docs has an easy way for you to do that. So you can just highlight a word or a couple words, and then go to Tools and Research, and it's going to pull up this research box over here. So it's going to do a Google search of whatever words you highlighted, and it's going to show me the results. I can preview what those pages look like, and it will show you a small version of what that website looks like on the left side here. For this activity, I really don't care which one you're choosing. If you can, choose the website that you're actually using. And you don't want to insert a link, but what you want to do is click Cite, C-I-T-E. That is going to cite your source, and you'll see what it does is it put a tiny little 1 here, and that means that there's a footnote at the bottom that shows that that bit of information came from this website, and it's already formatted MLA style for you. So let me show you once again, Tools, Research. This time I'm searching NFL, and what I meant to show you here is if you go to this drop down, it shows MLA. So it has the other APA in Chicago. We're doing it MLA, so we're going to keep it MLA style. So I'll go ahead and insert another one. Let's say I got it from NFL.com. I click Cite. This time it's going to put a number 2. That's my second footnote, so telling the reader that this information here came from my second source right there. So make sure you have your heading properly capitalized, set up double spaced, a title centered in the middle. Go ahead and make it bold. Indent your paragraphs. Add at least one citation, and you shouldn't really have any spelling mistakes. You know, this is obviously, it just doesn't recognize this Roman numeral as a word. And have fun. Also, always remember to change your document title. So, formatting. Oops. Super Bowl. Alright, good luck and have fun.